So we are back to the session on custom routing. And if you remember in the last session, we showed that uh, we wanted to configure a traffic from VM1 to VM2, VM1 and VM2 both being in different subnets. And we wanted to have the traffic routed through a virtual appliance, a network virtual appliance. And for that, we created a custom route table and added a route to that, which of course said that any traffic directed to VM2 should be routed through the virtual appliance. And then we associated that route table to the subnet 1, which is of course the VM1's subnet. And then what we saw is that there was no response when we pinged VM1 to VM2 because that actually went to the network virtual appliance, and network virtual appliance was not able to do the IP forwarding. Now we actually configured IP forwarding in the network interface of the virtual machine for the network virtual appliance, but the same has to be done in the operating system level because still the operating system doesn't understand how to do the IP forwarding. So basically for that we need to enable a role called the router role. So I'll just do that right now. So I have already remoted into the network virtual appliance virtual machine. So I'm going to local server, or actually I can go straight away to this and add roles and features. And from here I'll choose remote access. So as you see here, uh, routing provides traditional routing capabilities, right? So we'll get more details. Um, so in here, yes, so we choose routing over here. And now, so what this says is you cannot install routing unless the following role services are also installed. And so we will have to add all these roles and features as well in addition to routing. Okay, so we will go for it. And so we'll go for installing. So it's installing a whole lot of features over here. And I'll just pause the video. Okay, so as we see over here that the installation is complete. However, there's a configuration that is required. So we'll just go ahead and close this. And if we go over here, so let's go to this. Okay, so as you see here, the configuration is also completed. Okay, so configuring the role is also completed. Now let's try to actually ping it from the VM1. Okay, so let's just give it some time to have the routing take into effect. Just pause the video for that while. Okay, so actually we just missed a small part of the configuration last time. Basically, if we just look at this. Okay, so this was showing like this, completed, but if we just go and open this, open the getting started wizard. So the thing is, whenever you click this link, the stage becomes completed, although it's not completed. So it complains next time. So what we will do over here is we will just wait for this getting started thing. Should have opened by now. So I go over here and check this and click this open the getting started wizard. Now let's wait for the wizard to open. Yes, so this is what I was talking about. This is really very important over here. Basically what it says is use the options on this page to configure direct access and VPN. So I'll just choose this. Without this, our routing and remote access service won't be started. So now we need to configure and enable the routing and remote access. Now this wizard comes up. And we keep it that. Remote access. Or actually we can just keep this custom configuration. And over here, we'll choose routing. And now the service is ready. And now this is configured. So now is the time that we can just go and look into the VM1. Over here, we'll try this. And you see, that's the effect of IP forwarding and routing combined. Routing in the OS level, IP forwarding in the networking level. And if you see the tracer now, yep. So 10006 is the NVA. So it goes through the NVA to the VM2. That's, guys, custom routing for you using the custom route table. Okay. So thanks for watching this entire session. It was a bit long, but I thought of going through each and every step and uncovering each and every detail. Okay. So hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks. Bye.